Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is, what is phytochrome? Discuss its two forms and differentiate between them. So it is of 20 marks question and you have to attempt in the range of around 350 words. So first of all, what do you mean by phytochrome? Phytochrome is a kind of pigment which absorbs red or far red light region, and its light absorbing region is closely associated with the protein. It shows weak absorption of the blue rays, and it is a conjugated protein and consists of a water soluble protein and a chromophore which is bluish in color. So it is a brief introduction about the phytochrome. So there are two forms of phytochrome, that is PR form, it is called phytochrome red, and second is PFR form, it is called phytochrome far red. These both forms are interconvertible, that is PR form can be converted to the PFR and PFR can be converted to the PR. So PR, it is an inactive form of phytochrome which normally does not show phytochrome mediated response, and it absorbs red light and gets converted into the active form, that is PFR form. While PFR, it is an active form which shows phytochrome mediated response. It absorbs far red light and gets converted into the PR form. PFR can convert to PR form in the darkness. So you will better understand to the diagram. So here it is a phytochrome concept diagram. So this is the phytochrome red and this is the phytochrome far red pigments. So here 660 is the maximum absorption wavelength for the phytochrome red pigment, and here it is the 730 nanometer for the PFR pigment. So when PR form absorbs the sunlight or red light, it changes to the PFR form, and when PFR is exposed to the far red light area, then it changes quickly to the PR form, and when it is exposed to the total dark, it changes slowly to the PR form. So in this way, these both pigments are interconvertible. Now the basic difference between the phytochrome red and phytochrome far red are: phytochrome red is bluish green in color and it is light green in color. PR is inactive form and does not show phytochrome mediated response, while PFR is the active form and hence shows phytochrome mediated response. Maximum absorption in the red region is around 680 nanometer for the PR form, and for PFR it is the 730 nanometer. PR form can be converted into the PFR form in the red region, and it can be converted into the PR form in the far red region. PR form is found diffuse throughout the cytosol, while it is found in the discrete areas of the cytosol. PR form contains many double bonds in the pyrrole rings, and PFR forms contains rearranged double bonds in all pyrrole rings. So this is the basic difference between the PR form and the PFR form. So in this way you can attempt this question. Thank you and keep watching my videos, and to get the PDFs of these videos, please follow my Telegram channel. Thank you.